Hello and welcome to another episode of Momento Malum today. Rice is one of the oldest cultivated crops, and as a result, many cultivar groups have formed. These groups are the Indica, Oz, Temperate Japonica, Tropical Japonica, and the aromatic rice cultivar groups. The Oz group is a cultivar group native to South and Western Asia, and based on current genetic data, came from India or Bangladesh. This group is first split into two subgroups, the Oz and Boro types. The Boro types are ready between December and May for harvest. The Oz type is ready between April and August. Both forms were bred to be ready for harvest in a short season and have tolerance to drought, cold, and heat. This Oz subgroup further splinters into subgroups that can survive in deep water environments. Due to the variability within this broad group, there is a great interest in using these lines to breed new and improved common rice cultivars. To speed up the process of making this interest a reality, the ICAR group will commission a project to determine the genetics of the Oz rice group. This will be done using its genetic marker technology to analyze 181 Oz rice lines. And here are the results. The genetic analysis found that the population splintered into 6 clusters labeled K1 to K6. All the Boro lines formed the K5 cluster, and both the K5 and K6 cluster can be found in Bangladesh, and the rest cluster around India. K1, K5, and K6 were found to share a common lineage, and they're the genetically most close. K1 is mostly of Indian origin, while K5 and K6 are mostly Bangladeshi in origin. This indicates that the K5 and K6 lines of Bangladesh may have some Indian ancestry. K3 and K5 are the most genetically close to one another. K1 consists of all the Assam lines, one of the deep water subgroups. This group is low yielding in nature. K2 is the most genetically distinct cluster and has the highest protein content within their grain. K3 is early maturing and has a moderate yield. K4 has a low yield in short seasons but has high quality. K5 has a wide variation for days heading, taller plants, higher tillering ability, and inferior panicle size. This results in a moderate level of grain yield. K6 consists of lines with high drought tolerance, extremely early maturity, lower yield but larger grain, creating a moderate yield overall. The overall genetic results found that the Oz and Boro group types are closely related, but it's also found that the deep water lines are derived from the Boro lines. And that about covers everything. Thank you for watching. If you want to donate to my channel, the links are below. If you want to buy my book, you can also find that link in the description box below.